Hello my dear students from grade 5. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our Social Studies new video lesson, Unit 4 Lesson 4, Discoveries and Inventions. My dear students, before going, I need you to bring out your student book, activity book, and highlighter pen. Very good. I am so happy to see that you are well organized to learn today's lesson. Dear students, before starting our new lesson, I need to know whoever had done their homework for your previous lesson. Very good. I really appreciate your interest on doing homework and making your teacher and parents happy. You are one of greater students from our school. Anyway, I need with the answer key that I am going to show you next. Are you ready? Okay, here is the answer key for the questions from your activity book pages 70 to 71. Before starting our today's lesson, kindly pay your attention to important instructions from the teacher. Instruction number 1, after watching the video lesson, read whole the lesson very carefully up to you understand everything. Instruction number 2, wherever you see the symbol in this video lesson, don't forget to highlight the sentences from your books, check for which book and page number, to which it point towards. Remember all the keywords and their meaning. Instruction number 3, don't forget to make the classwork and homework from your activity book, at the end of each lesson. Are you ready? Very good. Okay dear students. Our today's lesson is Unit number 4 Lesson number 4. Discoveries and Inventions. Again, Lesson 4, Discoveries and Inventions. Dear students, repeat the title of our today's lesson with me. Lesson 4 Discoveries. I want you to be understood about our today's benchmark on this lesson. In this lesson you will identify ways that scientific discoveries and technological innovations have improved people's lives and helped the Middle East to develop. And analyze the impact modern life has on the environment. Again, in this lesson you will identify ways that scientific discoveries and technological innovations have improved people's lives and helped the Middle East to develop. And analyze the impact modern life has on the environment. Good. The discovery of oil had a great impact on changing the life standards of the people living in the Middle East. Dear students, I need you to focus with your student textbook page 126. When the teacher reads, you kindly just reread in your mind so that you will be knowing the facts and keywords from this lesson. Are you ready? Great. The discovery of oil. The discovery of oil brought great wealth to our region and changed the way we live. There are oil reserves all over the world. However, our region has some important advantages over others. Size: in other countries, some oil deposits are quite small. Each drilling operation requires expensive machinery. Saudi oil reserves are extremely large, so one oil well can tap huge amounts of oil. Tightly controlled oil concessions: our oil reserves are run by a few companies. This also cuts down on the need for many expensive wells, and keeps costs down. High pressure reserves: oil deposits in our region are often under high pressure. The oil does not require high-powered pumping. Uninhabited country: our oil fields are in areas of the country inhabited by few or no people. We do not have to destroy settlements when we develop our industry or build roads to transport the oil. Okay, my dear students, don't forget to highlight the important sentences from this page. Okay, now let us turn into page number 127 from your student book. Here we are going to learn about the invention of air conditioning. Okay, don't forget to highlight and reread the lesson in your mind. Very good. The invention of air conditioning in 1902, at a paper printing factory in America, the heat and humidity, levels of moisture, in the air was causing the colors to print incorrectly. So one of the employees, Willis Haviland Carrier, designed a machine to adjust the levels of heat and humidity in the air. This was the world's first air conditioner. Carrier got his idea while he was waiting for a train on a foggy night, and thinking about the relationship between temperature, humidity, and the point at which water vapor turns to dew. Soon his machine for controlling temperature and humidity levels helped industries all over the world. In the 1920s, Carrier designed machines that were designed to cool air for human comfort, not just for industrial use. Air conditioners started to be used in department stores, cinemas, and offices as well as private homes. Alright, who is this person pictured on student book page 127? Very good, Willis Carrier. All of us are very familiar with the next picture. What is that? Very good. It is a modern time air conditioner. Today, modern air conditioners are used all over the world. Is it? Good. Dear students, now kindly turn to page number 128 of your student book. Okay, tell me, what are you going to learn on this page? Excellent. We will learn about the history of fertilizers, and how fertilizers are produced in the laboratories. The history of fertilizers. People use different methods to improve their crops and to get better yields, greater numbers of crops per plant. Some organic methods include crop rotation. Farmers get better results when they do not grow the same crops in the same land year after year. Bone meal. Grinding up animal bones provides a rich feed for the soil. Waste products, horse dung, manure, and bird droppings, guano, enrich the soil. Compost. Decomposing plant matter creates a rich soil that can be added to the ground. Organic methods are easy to use and do not damage the earth. Now, producing fertilizers in the laboratory. In the 1700s and 1800s, scientists and chemists started producing inorganic fertilizers. A fertilizer is any chemical that helps plants grow bigger, faster or with better yields. Justus von Liebig studied reactions between calcium phosphate and sulfuric acid. John Bennett Laws produced superphosphates, compounds that help improve crop yields. Fritz Haber, a German chemist, won a Nobel Prize for producing ammonia, a strong chemical fertilizer made up of nitrogen and oxygen. In 1927, Erling Johnson produced a chemical called nitrophosphate. Okay, now, I need to ask you the meaning of the keyword from this page. First, yield. Very good. Yield means how much of a crop each plant produces. Second, organic. Very good. Organic means containing plant or animal matter. Third, inorganic. Excellent. Inorganic means made from chemicals, not plant. Okay, dear students, let's continue reading. Don't forget two things. Number 1, to highlight important facts. Number 2, reread with your teacher. Good. Okay. Today, there are huge chemical factories that make inorganic fertilizers. Fertilizers bring many advantages to the farmer. They replace nutrients that get used up by the growing plants. Plants grow quickly, forming strong, healthy roots, big leaves and healthy fruit and vegetables. Bigger plants do not lose water as easily as smaller plants, and also their leaves help to shade the ground. This helps to conserve water. Fertilizers help farmers to use the land more efficiently, producing more crops from less land. However, fertilizers can be dangerous to use. They are made from strong chemicals and can damage the environment. You will learn more about this in the next lesson. Did you notice the picture? Read the caption of the picture also. Good. Some farmers spray fertilizers and pesticides onto crops from low-flying planes or from sprayers like this one. This is called crop dusting. Okay, dear students, we did it. This is the end of our today's lesson. Okay, let's open our activity book now, and I need you to find answers to the questions from your activity book pages 72 to 73. Are you ready? Very good. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood very well our today's lesson. I am very happy to notice that you participated and gave excellent answers to my questions. Thank you. Until the next video lesson, see you. Bye.